And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Nomtoshes and I'm gonna be your girl for the next couple of minutes. So please just subscribe, like, share, and leave me a comment down below. And of course, turn on that notification button for more videos next time I drop. And I am back. Obviously, guys, being in corner, she's being on YouTube, but like I'm back on YouTube also. Just don't ask me. Right now we're about to go hiking with my family and I want you guys to go with me so that she can go hiking for the first time. So right now I'm gonna go get yeah, just know what I so hike and I about those hiking, so please don't judge me. Don't come for me because I will come for you. Anyways, right now so I'm so isn't so good like my fruit, my snakes, in water. So let me go and pack wood and also some clothes just in case I need to change once this because I'm going on a 10 kilometers hiking. So let's go. Okay, I'm wearing my Mr. Price top and then I'm linking my if you've seen my vlogs. And then I'm wearing my Jordans. Some top I was gone. So yeah. Right now let's go and pick some fruit.
wake up to fight for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it starts to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need mind now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need mine now, yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy.
Bapha kahle girl simile nje bapha.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you till the night ends on an island. Yeah, it's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Lying if I said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you were the truth. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you, heaven is a place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you. I'll show you something, give you more than words. With you, heaven is a place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there.
Oh my head. Yo son. Yoni afro shame I is embarrass. Because why? You guys, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. Apparently, after me shrinking, other than that, everything was so amazing. It's a 10-kilometer, but it didn't feel like 10 kilometers, you know, because some million that I won the waterfall. Then we came back eventually. So, so right now we're going home. Like we're literally going back home. So, yeah. I'm not doing your toilet. Oh, what's that? I'm going to have one more by ngizoshayeka phansi manje. Enza kushintsha right now. My head is wet. Like it has water all over. So okay. That's ngalala yes.
Hayi ngaphezulu. Ukubalekeza babeke lapha esikhaleni ntombi. Mabhodlela.
Oh, shokela. Umongo. Oh. This is the end of my vlog today. I know this is very short, but trust me, I'm working on more vlogs. So please do subscribe, like, share, and leave me a comment down below. And of course, turn on that notification button for more videos next time I drop. Bye.